Here are 5 side hustles you can start with zero investment. And yes, zero investment means no money up front, just your time, skills, and consistency. Whether you want to earn a little extra cash every week or slowly build something bigger, these 5 side hustles can help you start today without spending anything. So let's break down each idea, how it works, how much you can realistically earn, and what steps you need to take to launch them immediately. Let's begin. Side hustle number 1. Freelancing with skills you already have. Most people think freelancing requires special training or expensive certifications, but the truth is that almost everybody knows something that someone else is willing to pay for. For example, if you're good at writing, editing, translating, organizing information, data entry, preparing PowerPoints, helping with spreadsheets, or even just answering emails, you can already start freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to create a free profile and offer your services without paying anything. The key to getting your first clients is to start small. Offer simple services first, charge lower rates until you build reviews, and over time gradually increase your pricing. Many people start earning $50 to $100 per week, and once they gain experience and clients, they reach $500 per month or even more. The best part is that freelancing is flexible. You choose how much time you want to dedicate, and you can work from anywhere. Even if you only have 1 hour per day, you can make extra money consistently. So if you have a skill, even a basic one, freelancing can be the easiest zero investment side hustle to start today. Side hustle number 2. Selling digital services using AI tools. You don't need to be a designer, an editor, or a marketing expert to make money online today. AI tools like ChatGPT, Pictory, Canva Free, and CapCut let you create content and services for free that other people will pay for. You can offer things like social media captions, editing scripts, content ideas, simple logos, Instagram templates, TikTok video editing, blog writing, or even basic automation setups. You can list these services on Fiverr, Etsy, or through your own social media. Many beginners start with short-form video editing using CapCut templates because there is huge demand. Companies, influencers, and even small businesses want more content, and they don't always have time to create it themselves. You can create a short demo using free AI tools and upload it as your portfolio. No investment needed. Just consistency and creativity. Side hustle number 3. Social media faceless content. Yes, you can grow accounts without showing your face. Niches like motivation, fitness, money tips, productivity, quotes, real estate facts, travel comparisons, parenting tips, and short educational content can all be done without recording yourself. Use free video clips from Pexels or Pixabay, free audio from the apps, and free editing tools like CapCut. Then monetize in multiple ways, through brand deals, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or even building an audience that directs traffic to your YouTube channel. Many faceless pages generate money even before reaching 10,000 followers, especially if they focus on affiliate links or services like Amazon storefronts. You can post 1 video per day, experiment with content styles, and improve as you go. It costs you nothing but your time. Side hustle number 4. Reselling items you already own. You don't need money to start reselling. Just look around your home. Clothes you don't wear anymore, electronics, books, tools, toys, sports equipment, or anything in good condition. List them for sale on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Mercado Libre, or local apps in your country. Once you sell a few items, use that money to buy more items to resell, such as thrift store products or clearance items, but only after you've made money first. Many people start this way and build a small business without investing anything upfront. Reselling is simple. Take good photos, write a clear description, respond quickly, and deliver or ship safely. It's one of the fastest ways to generate cash in just a few days. Side hustle number 5. Becoming an affiliate marketer with free platforms. Affiliate marketing sounds complicated, but it's actually very simple. You promote a product, someone buys it using your link, and you earn a commission. You don't need a website, you don't need money, and you don't need to create your own product. You just need an audience, and even a very small audience can generate income. Amazon, Canva, Skillshare, Coursera, and many other companies allow anyone to sign up as an affiliate for free. Then, use TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or even Pinterest to post educational or helpful content related to the product. For example, if you're promoting a budgeting app, post money-saving tips. If you're promoting Amazon kitchen products, create cooking or organization content. If you're promoting books, share lessons from each book. You don't need to show your face. You can use AI voiceovers, free stock videos, or your own hands. The key to affiliate marketing is consistency. The more helpful content you upload, the more people click on your links. Some beginners earn $50 to $100 per month. Others grow into hundreds or thousands. And again, zero investment required. Now that we've covered the 5 side hustles, here's what matters most. Pick one, stick to it, and stay consistent for at least 30 to 90 days. Most people fail because they try something for 1 week and quit before seeing any results. But if you commit to one side hustle and improve step by step, you can build a real source of income without investing any money up front. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and check out the other videos on the channel. And if you want me to help you choose the best side hustle for your situation, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching Smart Money 101, and I'll see you in the next video.